So welcome back, guys. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So make sure you go to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting on USD JPY. First, we will start with the trend. We clearly can see that this is a downtrend move, but once you zoom it out, you see that this level right was the resistance level, and this was once the support level. Price eventually came to this support level, broke below it to take out a lot of traders. We would call it as a false breakout, right? Came up to this resistance level, also took out a lot of traders. Now price is now dropping, and we can see that price is close to our support level. I believe that this USD JPY, USD AUD USD, sorry, AUD USD should actually drop, even take out this support level. So I'll be expecting more drop on AUD USD to take out this support level, by the way. So that is what we'll be expecting. Right now, when we go to the 1 hour time frame, you saw that price is actually giving us a pullback, or will I say a correction. With this movement, be expecting one more fall. And this fall that I am seeing, especially on this 1 hour time frame, which will be very, very hard, right? So there are two ways this fall will happen. Because I am be expecting a very massive fall, right? Hard fall on AUDUSD. But there are two ways this thing is very much likely to play out. First, a minor correction to the upside, then a fall, or we are much likely to see AUD USD come to this same level, yeah, to a level of 0.66770. If you can see that correction to that level, then we would not expect a fall on AUD USD. So basically, what we should be watching out for is a sell. So once you get a sell set up, take it, go ahead and sell. So a little bit of a correction, not much by the way, then a fall, and that fall should be massive, and that fall should be able to take out this support level. We might not take it out this today, which is today is the last day of the week, which is Friday. Probably we should be expecting more drop next week. So today Friday to next week, we should expect more drop on AUD USD.